Hi guys, welcome back to Just Dream Big. My name is Joanne and I'm here today to do a 10-minute makeup challenge tutorial. I'm going to use the least amount of products to demonstrate this challenge. I have my timer on my laptop and I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, okay? So let's get started. Okay, it's a countdown. So I'm taking the MAC powder and a brush. And this is a foundation powder. So get rid of that shine. The only thing I have on is my moisturizer and my sunblock. Okay, so I'm gonna do all my face first. I'm going to use the Chanel powder to bronze a little. Okay, I'm going to use the MAC blush in Hippness. Okay, we are now at 8 minutes and 58 seconds. Okay, we're going to still use that same color on a blending brush to do our eyes. Okay, and then we're gonna do our liner. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Oh, it doesn't. I hope everyone's having a good day. Oh my gosh. Okay, trying to challenge myself to get this done in less than 10 minutes. The Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. Okay, I didn't even curl my lashes, but that's okay, because this is the out the door look. Okay. Ooh, girl. Okay, now we're gonna take the MAC Velux brow pencil. Oh my god. Okay, create some brows. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Oh my god, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to take that same blending brush and we're going to contour. God, 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, we're gonna end up doing this way early. I should have curled my lashes. Sugar. Okay, and we're taking the Laura Mercier lipstick, Rouge Essential in Rouge Electrique. Matches my shirt. Ooh, I like it. Just need more blush, because it's not coming up on the screen. Hippness. Ooh, swirl, swirl, swirl. Okay. Taking up. Is it on my teeth? No. Okay, we have 4 minutes and 14 seconds left. Ah, we did it. See, ladies, where there's a will, there's a way, and you can get this done in about 6 minutes or less. So what did we use here? Let's revamp. We have the MAC foundation powder. We have the Chanel, and you can use a bronzer. You don't have to use another like powder, but this was a lot darker than my skin tone. This is the Chanel Le Beige Glow Sheer Color in the color number 40. Oops, sorry. The MAC blush in Hippness. The MAC eyebrow styler in Spiked. And the, let's see, the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. It only comes in black right now. The Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. And the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Lipstick in Rouge Electrique. The brushes I used are a flat top brush for the foundation powder, a blush brush, obviously for the blush, an angle contour brush for the bronzer color powder, and the 224 blending brush from MAC. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a great day. Bye.